You have 2 minutes. One, 7, 7, you have 2 minutes. Right, you finish 177, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. You should have A, 5.16. B, 12 and 23 over 40. Well, 12.575. And C, 7 and 1, 2 over 50. 7.004. There are your answers. Okay, please go to page 178 and read. Page 178 and read. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals. Decimals. Well, the important thing to remember always is your decimal point. Your decimal point when you are adding, multiplying, subtracting, or whatever you are doing with a decimal point. The most important thing to do is remember your decimal. So if I have 2 numbers, 1.24, and I am adding 3.016. If I am adding them, remember my position of my decimal point. Remember it. Remember how many numbers come after the decimal. Remember your position of your decimal point. Everybody, please now read. If there are 3 numbers, 0.402, there will be 3 numbers in the answer. 0.4, blah, blah, blah. You will remember your decimal position. Please read page 176 and 177, 178 and 179. 178, please read. Please notice your position of your decimal point. The position of your decimal point. If there are 3 numbers after the decimal point, there will be 3 numbers after the decimal. Remember your decimal point. 1, 2, 3 numbers. So there will be 0.1, 2, 3 numbers. Remember when you're adding or multiplying. Okay, page 180, please. Page 180. Page 180. This is very easy for you guys. Page 180. Two decimal points, 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places in your answer. 3 decimal places, page 180. 3 decimal places in your numbers. There will be 3 decimal places in your answer. Unless the question asks you, please show decimal places. if it says 3 decimal places or 2 decimal places or even 1 decimal place, please read the question carefully. Page 180, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. Your answer will have 3 decimal places. Okay. Is everybody okay? We're going slowly.
Yes.
Go slowly. Page 180, number 6. Look, even minus, it's the same with minus. You're taking away, just remember your position of your decimal point. 0.809, 0.405. Your answer will have point and 3 numbers. Remember your position of your decimal point. Your position is very important. Very. Your position. Just look at your work carefully. Look at the exact position of your decimal point. 3 numbers, 3 numbers. There will be 3 numbers after the decimal point. So it will be 3 numbers. Here we have 3 as well. So 9 minus 0, 9. 15. We are regrouping. Regrouping. So let's go slowly. Page 181. It's the same as normal plus and multiply. Now, we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply. But when we multiply, everybody, page 181. 181. When we multiply by decimal point, when we multiply with a decimal, a number with a decimal, 4.8 multiplied by 5.2, please remember there will be 1, there will be 2 decimal points in the answer. Your answer will have point and 2 numbers. So if I multiply 48 multiplied by 52, please remember point, 1 point, 2 point. There will be 2 points number. 0.8 multiplied by 0.2 will be 0.96. Please remember to count your decimal places. When you get your answer, count. Very easy to count. 4.8, 5.2. I have to have 1, 2. So my answer will be 24.96. Remember to put 1 number, 1 point, 2 points. Remember to count your decimal place. Page 181. Go slowly. Please read page 181. Question A. 2.17, 3.5. There will be how many numbers in the decimal place? There will be 1, 2, and there will be 1 is here is 3. There will be 2 points, 0.217 and 0.5. So there will be 3 answers or 3 numbers in your decimal place. Please read the information slowly. Count your decimal points. Count your decimal points. 0.17 multiple. Oh, I'm going to do this. 2. Point. 7 multiplied by 3.5 8 10 301. Now I'm going to add it. I got 5, 9, 5, 7. So I got 7, 5, 9. Now I need to put my decimal point. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 7 point. That is how you get your decimal point. Find your counted. Go. Page 181. Multiplying a number with 2 decimal places by a number with 1 decimal place gives a product with 3 decimal places. Please remember. Go slowly. Page 182 and 183. Please read yourselves. Go. Page 182 and 183. Please read yourself. Is everybody okay? Everybody okay?
Yes.
All right, please go to page 183, please. 183. Quotient is the answer you get when you divide a number by another number. So now we are going to divide. Please remember, when you are dividing, to count your decimal place. 2 numbers, there will be 2 numbers in your answer. Please remember to use your even in division. Put your number point, decimal point in the correct position. Please remember, if there are 2 numbers, there will be 2 numbers in your answer. Remember to do your correct positioning of your decimal place. Okay. We are dividing page 181. Sorry, 182. 183. Now, 183. Remember your decimal even in division. Quotient. Your answer, when you divide a number by another number, you get the answer. Your quotient, that is your quotient. Your quotient is an answer you get when you divide a number by another number. Now, round it off. The nearest decimal place is 0.8. 0.83 is nearer to 0.8 than it is to 0.9. 0.8, 0.81, 0.82, 0.83, 0. 0.83 is nearer to 0.8 than it is to 0.9. 0.83 is nearer in number. So to round it off, rounding it off, you would go 0.8, not 0.9. You round it off to the nearest number, which in this case is 0.3, rounds off to 0.8 and not 0.9. That is what they mean by rounding it off. And when you round it off, you would know to use these symbols. Okay, do you understand rounding off? To round off the number 0.83, it rounds off to 0.8, not 0.9. But we will do that again in class. Please look at page 184, everybody. 184, go. 184, 184. Now, dividing the quotient, that's a number divided by a number. Finding the quotient by expressing a divisor as a whole number. Well, we can, by whole number, we take away the decimal point, take it away, it becomes not 4.08, it becomes 408. Divided by 120, we get our answer 3.4. Take the divisor away by a whole number. Finding the answer, the quotient, that's a number divided by another number, by expressing a divisor as a whole number. 4.80, that will become 400 as a whole number. 4.80 will become 408.0. And now a whole number. We are going to divide it by not 1.2, 120. So we make it a whole number. Make it a whole number. Okay, 184, method 2. Method 1, finding the quotient by expressing a decimal as a fraction. Changing a decimal as a fraction. 4.08 divided by 1.2. 408 over 100 divided by 12 as a fraction. We've done this before. Multiply 10 to the 10. We've got divide by 1 becomes 34 over. Wow, look, you can do it two ways, two methods. You can do method 1, divide by a whole number, or you can change it to a fraction. But both answers are the same. Please note, both answers are the same. 3.4 and 3.4. Both are the same. Which method can help you find the quotient more quickly? I think I like this one. I like this one. That can help quickly. I like that one. But maybe you like number 1. I don't mind. I don't mind. You can do 2. Page 185. 185, everybody, go. Read. 185. Please read. Please read. Notice first the quotient. We need to find the number 6,552. Now, page 186, everybody. 186. 6,552, 1.3, and 4.2. So, what are we going to do? Well, first, we are going to do this part. Then we will do that. So first we divide by 1.3. Well, here we go. 1.3, go. Look at your answer. Go slowly. Step 2, we get our answer 5.04. 5.04, step 2, divided by 4.2. Make them whole numbers. Make them whole numbers. 4.2 becomes 420. 504 become 5.04 become, you can do it that way. Get your answer 1.2. Okay. All right, guys, action. Action time. Is everybody okay?
Yes.
All right. Page 187. Go. Complete. Go. Get your answer. Sorry, 185, 185, 185, 185. 186, sorry, 186. Look at your answers. You're okay. Try to do at the bottom, page 187, go. 187, go. Everybody just try. Use your paper and pencil. Page 187, everybody. Just try. From Jeff to everyone. Go to sleep. Shh. Shh. Are you awake, Jeff? Page 187, everybody. Just go. Try it. Okay, page 187, go everybody, work. Remember when you're adding and subtracting your decimal point, that should be no problem for you. That should be no problem. That should be no problem for you now, guys. Who's finished? You finished? Okay, how are we doing? How are we doing, everybody? Who's got the answer now? Jeff. Jeff. Where are you, Jeff? Jeff? You see? Okay. Okay. Let's see who we got. iPhone. Page 187, iPhone.
Yes.
Answer A and B. What have you got for answer A, please?
13.473.
Right, we say that 13.473, okay? 13.473. Okay, iPhone, what have you got for answer B, please?
225.534.
No, 225.534, okay? 225.534. Well done. Okay, who've we got? Pop gun. Are you ready, Pop gun?
Yes.
Answer F. 25.2 multiplied by 1.5. What have you got, please?
37.8.
Well done. Thank you very much. Who else have we got? Who have I got here? Let me see. Few. View 22.
Yes, yes.
What have you got for J? 86.594 minus 28.006 minus 13. J. What have you got for answer J, please? Please check, okay? Please check your answers, okay, everybody? I'm not trying to trick you. Check your answers that you have correct answers, okay? Please remember they were mixed operational. They were minus, but divide and divide, okay? Some were plus, some were minus, and some were divide. There are your answers, okay. Now, everybody, how are we? Is everybody okay?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Your homework, page 188 and 189. That is your homework. Go, you can start it now. Page 188 and 189. You can start it now. That is your homework. Page 188 and 189, everybody. Go. Homework. Homework pages 188 and 189, everybody. Please have them finished for next class. I'm not going to give you very big homework, guys, but page 188 and 189, okay? Everybody understand your homework?
Yes.
Okay. Now, where is Jeff? Jeff, where are you, please? Jeff, can you hear me? Jeff, all class have been calling you. You switch in, who's that? Pratita, can you hear me? Are you okay? Dada, are you okay? Dada. Student number 16, Dada. Oh, that's who's that? Few, you okay?
Yes.
I knew you, but you always say, thank you for being good. Nick, are you okay? Popgun, you're okay. iPhone, you okay? Yes, I noticed.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, keep going, everybody. Pages 188 and 189. Homework. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Pages 189 and 189. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, students.